Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to tag a person on an Instagram post. To do this, you go to Instagram, and you add a new photo or post that you want to tag. You select the photo that you want, and here you select the option, Tag People. Then you click on any point of your photo, and this is where your friend's account will be tagged, and you select that person from the list, or you look for them in the list, add them, and you post your picture. Then you can open your profile. You wait a couple seconds for the posting to go up, and you refresh your profile. The publication is published, and the person you want is stamped on it. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.